welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to share with you guys on how to achieve this beautiful green shimmery look. Oh my gosh, I am digging this green shimmer, you guys. Look at that, so pretty. So let's just get to it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm going to prep my skin with this Mylara Skin Perfecting Glow. I'm going to spray this directly on my face like so. Oh my god, I love this so much because the smell, I don't know how to describe it. It's like, it's refreshing. It makes my skin feels really nice. Like right after you rinse your skin, your face, after you wash it, your skin feels a little bit tight, but with this it helps to retain the moisture back in place. Get what I mean? Alrighty, so next I'm going to tone up my skin with this Naturals Rise brand Soybean Illuminating Essence Lotion. This is it, one of my favorite toner or softener or essence you could say, but I would use this as a toner because I love using this with a cotton pad. It just helps to get rid of all those yucky stuff, residues on my skin. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's disgusting. There you go. Oh my goodness, can you see that? Okay, moving on to my favorite essence. This one is from Herv Luxe Essence Advance. This one, I love the packaging, you guys. Look at this, and my skin booster of hydration. So I just pour it like this. Whew. Oh my gosh, and you just pat it on your skin. Primer, I'm going to be using this Baby Skin by Maybelline Pore Eraser. I'm just going to focus on my T-zone area. So I'm just going to smoothen this out. Just a tiny bit will do. So now I'm taking this MAC Pro Conceal palette in medium deep, this one. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and this one I'm just going to be using it underneath my eyes just to get rid of all those dark circles that I've been having problem recently due to lack of sleep, probably. I want to use the same thing as for the one that have a little bit more concern near here and here. Some of us do have problems of uneven skin tone somewhat around here. So you guys can use the orange corrector to even up your skin tone, I would say. Okay, so as for the foundation, I'm going to be using Levenson foundation in Milkshake. This one. Okay, what I love about this, it is transfer resistant, means that it does not transfer to anything else beside your skin once it's set. With the small size packaging, it's great for traveling as well. Since the packaging is plastic, you can just dump it inside your bag or your makeup bags or whatever. You even can carry this on your, like inside your pocket. I'm taking this Sponge Marble Edition by Oh Yes Sharmila. So I'm just going to dab it like this. If you can see, the coverage is not super full, but it is buildable, and I just love it. It makes my skin feels really comfortable in it, and the smell is so yummy. It smells like honeydew. It feels like you want to eat it somehow. This one is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in medium and light. As for the medium, I'm just going to use it a little bit right underneath my eyes, like this, just a tiny. As for the light ones, I'm just going to use it as a highlighter. Be taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer, in Code Toast to do my contour, right? For those that has a larger face, You guys need this. This is a must. For the nose, I'm gonna be taking this angle brush right here. Since it makes it easier for me to blend, and do the same on the other side, you guys. Don't forget, everything needs to be symmetrical. Okay, then I'm going to take this Cheek Me Up Stick Blush by Wycon Cosmetics. This one is a stick form. With Chriszen loose powder in 01 light beige. But before you set everything off with the powder, make sure that everything is smooth, especially this under eye, because once you set things up with the powder, it will stay there. I mean, if you have not smoothed out your base and then you set it up with the loose powder, the fine lines and the wrinkles that you haven't smoothed it out, it's just going to be there. Like this baking technique will definitely make the whole makeup stays put and last longer. I'm building up the brown color a little bit upward and going back and forth with the 217 blending brush. I'm going to place a black color shadow using a 219 pencil brush by MAC. Jeffree Star Cosmetics Androygony palette. I'm gonna be taking this color right here called Military. So I'm just going to apply the military color in my inner corner. Going back to my Anastasia Subculture palette, I'm gonna be taking this color right here. It's so pretty, you guys. This one is called Electric. So I'm just taking this Sephora brush, Sephora cosmetic brush. I am going to apply that color right here. So I'm just going to switch the brushes on the other side to blend the brown together with the green. I'm going to be taking the first color that we use on the lid called Edge to be the first color underneath here. Switching to this brush, taking the second color that we did on the lid, the deep orange, the new Edge, right on the outer corner right here. The color I'm going to be taking is Fudge. The next, the dark brown. Next, I'm going to be taking this glittery liquid liner and apply it right down here, just a little bit. This will help to enhance the glitter a little bit more, and a little bit on top of the lid right here, just to make it more glittery and shimmery and pretty. As for the liner, I'm going to be taking the Sephora Kohl Pencil in Beige 02 for my waterline. I love this color because it's natural compared to white liner. This one really helps to open up my eyes. Hypersharp Black Liner by Maybelline, Power Black. So I'm just going to do a slight wing. I'm not gonna be applying any falsies today because of, I think that this looks is already dramatic, so I don't need to put a little bit more drama on my eyes. So I'm just going to proceed with my mascara. I'm gonna be using one of my favorite mascara by Wycon. This one is called Quick Mascara. I love this because it helps to add volume and as well as lengthen my eyelashes. I'm going to do my brows real quick off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm done with my brows. If you guys want to see this brow tutorial, I'm gonna have it up soon on a separate video so you guys can see how to get this feathery brows. Moving on to my finishing, I'm going to go with my Wycon Cosmetics bronzing powder in Coat Dark. So I'm going to lightly sculpt my cheekbones. This orangey blush by Tanako. This right on my cheek right here. Taking this coverfx highlighter and Blossom right here. For the lips, I'm going to be using this Mungil lips in code Dia. Oh no, sorry. This one is cow. This one is cow. You. Oh my god. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this tutorial and enjoy the whole video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye!